Hi guys, welcome to Emirates Graphic Academy. This is Andrea again with you, discussing everything to do with websites. So today I'm just going to go through the 6 points that I have already written down, and we will be talking about things to consider when deciding to launch a website. There are a lot more factors to consider other than just the ones written behind me, sorry. However, I just thought I will pinpoint all the ones that are probably the most important. So the first one is define your purpose. Who is your target market? Audience is obviously very important. Your product has to be relevant to the audience that you're looking at targeting. Secondly, I would recommend do some research and do check a little bit what your competition is doing. So get creative, try and see if you can stand out from the crowd by bringing something new to the market. So something that you obviously can do or dig deeper. Budget, it's a very, very important factor because it determines what quality, what type of website you are going to actually have at the end of the day. So it depends again which industry you are going to be in. You obviously have multiple choices. I'm not going to name a few providers, but as you know, probably there are fixed or very easy ways to have a website by just using a template, and it's not WordPress or PHP, but I guess you will know. So budget, yes, is very, very imperative before even thinking of creating a website. Exposure, just bear in mind these points are not in any orders. Obviously, the budget will be probably the most important thing, and and domain as well. So exposure, make sure that your website will be SEO optimized, and coming back to the budget is make sure when you invest into a website, do invest into something that will allow you to have the opportunity to do SEO campaigns, PPC campaigns, as well as any other online marketing tools, campaigns that you can have on your website. So another important thing that you have to consider is domain. So make sure you choose a domain that is relevant to your industry, a domain that people can remember very well. Features, it's another thing that you obviously have to sit down and think before pretty much everything, I'd say. So what type of website do you want? What do you want the website to actually do or achieve for you? So it will be informative, it will be a website that can handle bookings or payments or appointments and so on. So obviously these things, I'd say, do make an impact on the timeline of the project and the price. So I hope this information was useful. As I said, these are just few of the points that I picked because I think they're very essential. Majority of my clients seem to skip these parts and they just want to know, I want a website, how much? So do a bit of research, and then you obviously choose a company that is trustworthy, that can embark on your vision as well. So I hope this was helpful. You will see my next video as promised every other Wednesday. Until then, ciao.